Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for watching this video today and for joining me. Into this video, I'm going to be giving a short message, and this is essentially based on the dangers of antibiotics. I know a lot of us take medication or medicine, drugs, whatever we call it, medicine, right? Whenever we are ill or whenever you just feel the need to take something to make you feel better. I want to talk about the dangers of antibiotics. Antibiotics is not something you just consume anyhow. It is not pain relief medicine. It is not paracetamol. It is not Panadol. It is not all this medication we are used to. What doctors or any health professional will tell you is that naturally the body is supposed to fight any infection given like 2-3 days. It's after when you've watched it for some time, that is when you need to go to the hospital and report it and tell them what you need to do. You don't just go taking medication the first day you've noticed something. You need to diagnose it properly and know what you're supposed to do. So if you have cough, for instance, or you have a cold or flu, you don't take antibiotics on the very first day. You might need to take some cough medication at first. You might even need to take something natural. Like I hear that if you take a lot of pineapples or lemons or lime, the cough can go off on its own. Then even if you have cold or flu, sometimes these things go off like in 2-3 days. Don't go taking antibiotics, because the more you take these antibiotics, the more your body becomes resistant to it. So try not to consume antibiotics. We all know this is common knowledge. I'm sure many of us know this already. But the part where some of us don't know is this, and this was what a health professional told me. If they give you any medication to take in the hospital, if they give you any antibiotics, if they tell you to use it for 5 days, if you stop in between, like on the second day, and you say, oh, I feel better now, or my body is well rested, or I feel I've been able to fight off the infection, and you stop in the middle, you are doing a great danger to your liver and to your kidney. I didn't know this before, and I learned it, and I was like, this is something I have to share with the community right here. So anytime you are giving antibiotics, make sure you use it for the number of days it was stipulated for. There's a reason why they tell you to use it for like 3 days. There's a reason why they tell you to use it for like 5 days. Cutting a shot in between is going to do some damage to the person's liver or to the person's kidney, because your body has been trying to fight it off and you're sending the wrong messages to your brain. The brain sends the wrong message to your kidney and to your liver. It's just collecting there and it's not doing what it's supposed to do. So stopping it in between is not going to help you. It's better for you not to start it at all. If you want to start it, make sure you complete it. So that is the rule here. So those are the dangers of antibiotics I feel I should share with you. So like I said, anytime you use antibiotics, if you must or if you have to, make sure you complete your dosage. If they tell you to take it 3 times a day, try to set a reminder if you have to and take it accordingly. Take it for the number of days or the number of hours you are supposed to take it for. Some of us just throw caution to the wind and we just take it anyhow. If you were told to take it like 6 hourly or every 6 hours or after every 24 hours, make sure you stick to those timings, because your body is recording it. Antibiotics are something that you must watch very well before you consume. It's easier to take pain relief medication. It's easier to take some other kind of medication. But antibiotics or antibiotics is something you must be watchful of. So this is my message for you guys today. I hope you learned something. Don't keep it to yourself. Kindly pass this around. And if you've not been following me, kindly do so for many more amazing videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.